Hello friends, it's me Asir Intesir Shaiket. Welcome to my channel AsirFx 360. So today I'm going to discuss about the VPS. So recently we are start a VPS service. So before I start, I just want to share what is the VPS. VPS means virtual private server. It means if anyone want to use the Forex robot, then they have to open their computer 24 hours. But it's not possible to start a computer on your computer 24 hours 7 days. So you can use the VPS. So then you can set your Forex robot there, and like this you can see I set many account. This is the my virtual server. So there I set my many account, and I can use my robot, and I can also use my notification system in the VPS. So you also can get the notification if you open or close any order to your phone. So after end the video I will also show how to get the notification. So first I am discussing about the VPS. So in this VPS I can set my robot, and it work 24/7 hours. So now we are start a VPS service. So this is the you can see, you can go to our website. It's fxschool.info. So there you will get an option that the VPS, and if you go there, and our VPS if you take it, it's a $20 for 1 month. And this VPS service there after when you I will teach you that how to enter a VPS and how to use a VPS if you join with our VPS service. So what is the facility that we are providing? Basically our VPS is only for the Forex. Okay, so there you will get something that 2 GB RAM you will get, and 30 GB hard disk, and this computer will be Core i7. It means that whatever VPS I am giving you, there in the behind there is a computer. So this computer will be a Core i7, and 2 GB RAM you will get, and you will get also high speed internet and 24/7 support. If you face any problem with the using the VPS or your robot or something, we will help you. And this is the full safety. When you change the password, without you no one can enter to your VPS service. So no one can hack it, no one can see your information, no one can see that what you are doing inside your VPS. So this is the use of the VPS. It means virtual private server. So there for the Forex robot you can see I set many account, and also I set many FBS account in one computer. So I also teach you that how you can use the many mt4 in one VPS, because if you take the other VPS, then there is a problem. For the every mt4 you have to take one VPS. So but if you take our VPS, then there you can use the many mt4 and many thing, and it will work super speedily. Okay, so this is the things about the if you want to use the Forex robot. And what I am telling now, I'm going to explain. If you want to get a notification to your phone, you will get a notification in your phone. Say for example you are in outside in your home, and you open some order, or you set some pending order. So if market position touch at that position, any order open or close, you will get a notification in your phone. So it's a very helpful thing. So in this video I'm going to show you in two things. I think you will enjoy this video, and these things will help you very much. Okay guys, let's begin. Okay, first you have to open your mt4 software in your phone, and then click there and go down, and you will get an option settings, and click there and go more down, and you will see there is an option MetaQuartz ID, and you just need to copy it, and then you need to go to your computer. Okay, then in this computer go to the option tools, and then go to the option you can see that there is a option, click here. Okay, and then there is option notification, click here, and there enable push notification, click, and just type this ID I show you before, and you can also show in your phone, and type this ID at there, and then just click the test, and then you will get a notification in your phone, and click OK. And after that you will if you do say for example you open an order and you set a take profit and stop loss, and after a few time if you close your if automatically it's hit your stop loss or take profit, okay, so then you will get a notification in your phone. Or if you set a pending order, you will get also notification if it's come to active, or if any order close open, and you can use it in the many way. Okay, so sometime it helps also me for the trading. And if you set this notification system in the VPS, then you know you don't need to run your computer. Okay, so if you use if you have VPS, so then you can set this notification system in the VPS, and then you will get all the notification in your phone instantly. So I think you understand the benefit of the VPS. So if you use VPS, you can stop your computer, but in the behind, one computer will run for you 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, and every moment you can get update from the VPS. So now I am showing you that how can you make a request for the VPS. So there is some payment system that you can choose the Neteller, Skrill, Western Union, MoneyGram, or the bank transfer. Or if you want to use the other way like credit card or debit card, then contact with us. So we have a helpline for the VPS. So anytime you will ask us anything, our helpline can give you the full support. Okay, so for the request you have to click here, make a buy request, and then you will get these things, payment request, and there first you have to put your name, your email address, and you have to type which payment option you want to use, your country, your phone number, but definitely with the country code, that if necessary we can call you. Okay, so and how long time you want to use the VPS, for 1 month or 2 month or more, and fill up these things and make apply. And I think within 3 or 4 hours we will contact with you. And because for the set VPS we need some time like 10 hours and 12 hours, so after give the payment within 12 hours you will get every details, and also you will get a guideline. You will get a video that there we will show how you can set it for your account. Okay friends, this is for today. If you want to ask anything, you can ask me by the comment box, WhatsApp or email, and everything. Our customer service also help you regarding your VPS service. So this is for today. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up for this video and subscribe our channel. And if you need any kind of help, please ask me. I will try my level best to help you. Okay friends, bye, have a good day.